there was a mistake made by the architect. And what that was, there's different door widths, right? So you can get a 600 mil wide door, 700 mil, 8, even up to a meter, right? Well, in the laundry, so downstairs, you walk through the laundry to get to the bathroom, which is quite a common sort of configuration. And the door leading into the laundry was only 600 mils wide. Now, how wide's a washing machine?
It is 600.
Yeah.
That's not fitting through a 600 door.
No, I didn't notice it. The builder didn't pick it up. Obviously, the architect made a mistake in the first place, because you would imagine that you wouldn't deliberately put the door, make the door
made
too
the door
small.
fit the space, not thought about the practicalities of what needs to go through the door.
Well, you could fit a bigger door there. I don't even know why a small door was even on the drawing. I think it just was a mistake. I didn't pick it up. Builder didn't pick it up. Builder just built it. And this is an example about, before the builder was really clever in terms of what they did with the roof line and this upstairs bedroom, but downstairs in the laundry, they just didn't apply any thinking to. They said, okay, just build it 600 mils wide. Yeah. It wasn't until I took the property manager through, and the property manager just took one look at it and said, tenants won't be able to get a washing machine through there. And I've gone, oh, no, you're kidding me. So surely, and they go, nah, there's no way. And then that's going to be a problem. You're going to have a problem. So I had to go back to the builder, who was very unwilling to do anything. It ended up costing me $4,000 to get a bigger door. Oh, wow. So
check, recheck, practically check, walk through in your mind. You just still miss things like that. Yeah. And that's that's again a conversation with the builders around, if you see something that you think isn't going to work from a practical point of view, flag it with me. Don't just go ahead with it and assume that I want it that way for some reason. So I think that's a big conversation to have with your builder as well, because sometimes practicalities don't reveal themselves until you're actually physically walking into spaces.